If you've been using Opera for a while, chances are your Bookmarks bar or Bookmarks manager has started to fill up with old links you no longer need. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete saved bookmarks from Opera browser quickly and easily. This is a simple cleanup step, but it can make your browser feel much more organized and much easier to use. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software tips just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, look to the very top left corner of your Opera browser window and click the Opera O logo. This opens the main Opera menu. From there, move your mouse over Bookmarks in the drop-down list. When the side menu appears, click Bookmarks again to open the full Bookmarks manager. Now a full page will open showing all of your saved bookmarks. On the left side, you'll see your folders and categories. So take a moment to browse through them and find the bookmark you want to remove. If you have a lot of saved links, this part can help you narrow things down faster by checking each folder one by one. Once you find the specific bookmark you want to delete, hover your mouse over it. You should see a small X button appear next to the bookmark. Click that X to remove the saved bookmark from Opera. The change happens right away, so the link will be deleted immediately from your list. If you want to delete more bookmarks, just repeat the same process for each one. Hover, click the X, and keep going until your bookmarks are cleaned up. This is a great way to remove outdated pages, duplicate links, or anything you no longer need saved in your browser. And that's it. You've now learned how to delete saved bookmarks from Opera browser. It only takes a few clicks, but it can make a big difference in keeping your browsing organized. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another simple tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.